thunderstorm warning for southeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 8 a.m. At 7:26 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Wayne to Lake Lackawanna State Park to near Loron, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Winslow and Elleroy around 7:30 a.m. Buena Vista, Onico, Red Oak, McConnell, Damascus, and Scioto Mills around 7:35 a.m. Cedarville and Orangeville around 7:40 a.m. Cheyenne, Dakota, Rock Grove, Afoke, Bolton, Dakota Dornick Airport, and Winneshiek around 7:45 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Freeport, Rock City, Stevenson County Fairgrounds, Davis, Alberta's Airport, Lake Somerset, German Valley, and Rydot. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities.
This one not great.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson,
This one not great.
as well as Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin.
Ooh.